Sell futures, not features. Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to make a really short but powerful video and talk about this phrase, sell futures, not features. And this applies whenever you are selling a high-ticket product, whenever you are selling one of your services. What you want to do is sell that prospect a better future. Okay, you don't want to be just talking about the features that you are offering them, what they are going to get, but you want them to imagine a better future, position themselves, after 1 month of working with you, after 3 months, 6 months, a year, how their life is going to change after buying your product or service, how your product or service is going to solve that problem, how your product or service is going to give them more time to do the things that they enjoy. That's how you have to portray your high-ticket product or your service that you are offering. And by helping them imagine and feel a better future with your service, with your product, you are going to position yourself as the right partner, as the right alliance to that business, to that person that needs your help, but you need to explain it in a better way. So that's a quick video I wanted to share with you guys today. Hope you find it valuable. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, ask me any questions down below. And also, before I go, if you're someone who wants to start online, or if you're someone who already started but you need help building an email list, building an audience, creating content, using sales funnels, I want to invite you to a 4-day free training that I set up with my mentor Sebastian Gomez, where you are going to learn these key skills no matter if you want to sell your own services, if you want to sell other people's products, or if you want to work for someone else. This is going to help you out, so the invitation is there. It's completely free, link in the description. And with nothing more to say, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next one.